Hi there, Priscilla Dames here. I've just done the Roundtable Dialogue, 100 Days Coping with COVID. I had 3 guests. One of the guests was Regine Jolly. She is a professional nurse and a registered community health professional. And she talks specifically about COVID and what we need to do. I asked her to give us the newest information about the vaccines and this new strand that's hitting the United States. She said it's still COVID. She says, but yes, there is another strand. And she says, and the information that's most needed is that it is much more aggressive. That means we can get it easier through our nostrils, and the effects are much faster. So it's much more aggressive, but we have to follow the same types of protocols. And of course, she talked about the social distancing, washing our hands, and the mask. And I asked her, how long are we expecting this to last? When will we get back to normal? Her answer was, we may as well get used to some of this because it's going to last for a while. She said we have got to still follow the protocols for quite a while. She says even if we decided we want a herd immunity, then we need 70 to 75% of Americans to be involved. So we have a long time before that. But even when we get there, she says this is not going to go away too quickly. So we need to be vaccinated. We've got to have our vaccinations. And we have to follow those protocols. She said her tip was self-care. She said you absolutely must find some time alone because our shoulders are so heavy right now with the COVID on top of everything else. So self-care during this period is even more important. Whether you go in a room or you take a walk by yourself, ride a bike, whatever you need to do, sit out in your backyard, you've got to find some alone time. That was her number 1 tip that she wrapped it up with. But remember, I had the self-care queen, Elizabeth Garcia, and she talks about all kinds of things that we could and should be doing to take care of ourselves. So Regine Jolly, the community health educator, was basically saying the same thing. Find some alone time, and the self-care is so important. This is Priscilla Dames. I thank the 3 professionals to coming in and talking to us in our roundtable dialogue. Stay tuned. I think I'm going to get some of those clips from that presentation to add them to the social media. But I wanted to share just a synopsis of the 3 with you. They were fantastic. Thank you very much. You take care.